Okay, so we're here at the entrance of the neighborhood. You can see, looks kind of shitty. So, I have my mask. We're following the guidelines. I don't really care, but if the police watch this video, then they can't arrest me later. So, let's head up the street and we'll check out some of the mysteries and excitement in the neighborhood. So, I was just explained what this sign means. These residents have until the 30th to get out of this neighborhood, and then they will be like forcefully evicted and fined. So you have until the 30th, which is in a couple of weeks, and then all of this will be completely empty, which means that there's still people living here now, which is pretty wild shit. It really isn't nice here at all. So I hear a voice. All right, we're going inside. I got a cat bowl. That food is ancient. What's up? Oh. That's all new, obviously. And Soyeon and I's guess is that all this shit is gonna get taken down and then turned into that. We just spotted something. I hope no one lives there. That's not a bird's nest. Someone has left some shiregi to dry. I don't think they're coming back. Soyeon, you want some shiregi? There's a tree back here. I mean, I never see trees this big in backyards ever. It's fucking huge, and it's gross back here. Jesus, look at the size of this thing, though. Keeps going. Like a little garden back here. This is really gross too. Walking on all this shit. Ugh. Old and the new. This fence is so white. I'd hate to think that they installed it and then 2 weeks later the city said like, oh yeah, by the way, you have like 3 months to get the hell out of here. What was once a beautiful villa called Gyeongdong Villa Ocha. Beautiful no more, unfortunately. So when they want someone to leave the building, what better way than to cut off the gas and cut off the electricity and the phones and everything. So you're basically left in the dark. So very motivational to get you the hell out. These bricks though are friggin' awesome. Look at these brick design. That's awesome. We are going into the apartment building. Oh, jeez. I can have a shower later, it's okay. Is it?
They go to church.
Oh shit, yes. No way. This is why I came. pretty empty.
This is a full size apartment. Wow. Luxury. They have bathtub.
Fancy, right? Yeah.
And a giant kitchen.
I love this ceiling, by the way. Like that wood accent.
Oh.
Like, look at your window. It's like, honey, look at the view outside. Mountain. Just the side of a mountain.
Wow. All those women like this
What?
size of kitchen. Wow.
This kitchen's better than mine. And why did we wear masks, Soyeon? For this shit.
Corona?
Well, and that, but the mold too.
Oh yeah.
It hasn't been that bad in this apartment, but oh shit.
Oh.
Something above this floor is wet.
Yeah.
And yeah, don't stand there. Look at the wall in this room. Like, this whole room is like bricks.
So interesting. What did they do in
Ah, this is their love den. This is the sex dungeon.
Oh. I was thinking maybe this was a makgeolli room.
Does it smell like? I actually no. Don't smell if you don't have to. Just breathe very lightly.
Okay, it's the giant movie. They left it there. Oh.
Everything is empty. There's nothing here except for the toilet seat. Very fancy. So this is the smaller bedroom. You step out like we just did and you come to the master bedroom. And there's this giant window frame here. Like, what's the point? You have one window, two window, and then the outside window, and some bubble wrap.
People look at you. Oh, hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
that is
neighbor.
100% a bathroom window.
What the hell?
Fresh water, anyone? Oh shit. Someone's here. They left their bottle and their weight. Someone has been kind enough to leave a cat box. Leave some food out for the cats. What does that say? This is like a government one? This isn't even like someone's hobby. Like the government put this here.
Yeah,
Yeah, interesting.
and they're going to neutralize a cat.
What? Soyeon, this is very scary. Whose baby carriage is this? Oh god, and there's a path up the mountain? Oh god, there's some dead baby up there. Yeah, I want to go in there, but it looks like the doors are locked down here. That's like the last thing I want, is to go into some house and there's like a guy in there. It's like, oh god, no. Nope. I don't need that. Everything from here to the next major street is all gonna get destroyed. Follow the lines. Oh, no one lives here, and now they're all... Oh, wait. Who's this? Nature has taken over. If I push this... Oh, Jesus. Okay, yeah, that answers my question. we're going to make an attempt to see what this window is all about. But I have a feeling we won't get in. There's no way. There's no way.
Oh.
Jesus. Alright. 안녕하세요. Oh, it stinks in here. Again, this woodwork is just awesome. Let's get that view from the window. You can see the neighbors. Oh, nah. Look at above the window, or above the door.
Oh, look like church.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I found a little crematorium. And an urn. That's where you burn the elderly when you're done with them. Something tells me if I phone this number and inquire about the rates of this house, I might not get an answer. Or they might laugh at me. Check out those stairs on top of the building. They have like a spiral staircase to the roof.
Wow.
Pretty fancy. And the award for shittiest looking building goes to this one. That one, some of these look like you could live in them still. This one, I don't know. It's pretty beaten up. We've been walking around this neighborhood for like, what do you think, an hour? And like, that's the first car that we've seen parked anywhere. So maybe that's like where the construction zone stops. So we have to go in here and try. Look at this front yard. Just watch your feet. Oh, fuck me. Oh, I just got through a giant spider web.
Okay, so there is no spider anymore.
Well, not anymore, no. Ah, god damn it. It's locked. I went through that spider web for nothing.
Oh.
Wait, do it again. Try a random number. This is the same house, but we've discovered a rear entrance. So let's try that. Oh, Jesus. Just a spider. Nope.
Why they are so concerned about security?
Spider. Wanaksan. Spider. Wanaksan. So we looked through the houses a bit. This is actually the main street. You can see there's a little more life here. Look, there's a car. A car! I know, crazy, right? And a bus. But let's take a look around, because even the sidewalk is like totally overgrown and like 90% of the stores are totally empty. So let's check it out. Just the amount of grass growing out of the sidewalk is pretty spectacular. Here's an interesting looking building. It's a Pyongan System. Some kind of construction or tools. Blue labor, manly stuff. Looks like a bar, honestly. There's the local supermarket. As you can see, it's completely empty. And there's water for me. And a piano hagwon. And this whole street just got nothing going on. Anyone that's here is like taking crap out of the stores. And they're all closing down. I just realized what this reminds me of. It reminds me of The Last of Us. Only with no zombies. Except for that guy over there. Maybe he's a zombie. He didn't see me though, so I'm safe. So the Uiwang the Oiwang Dishimatu, at one point, they would develop your Kodak film, but no longer. Okay, so Genius Soyeon, she just saw this. And like, this is just on the edge of a fence. You can hear the rain on this thing pattering away. And she's like, wait, are those USB? And yeah, they are. But like, why? They're just hanging out on the side of this fence. Very bizarre. Do it again. I can't believe it. Is it gonna charge your phone?
No.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, someone's calling you.
Someone's calling you. All right, take that call. Walking down Main Street. Someone's drying their shirt. The shirt's been here a long time. Let's see if there's a name in the tag. We can return it to its owner. Oh shit. This is Omar Sharif's shirt. Is this abandoned? I'll steal a Peugeot bike. That's fine. Oh damn, cool name. Django. But is the bike unchained? Or is it locked up? It is indeed unchained. It's not just mom and pop places that are affected by this neighborhood change. Even Domino's Pizza is getting kicked out. Wow, look at all that pizza. Oh wait, no, that's just me. This poor guy gets like progressively cleaner as we go through the signs. We are back to civilization. So, all down here, it's all getting shut down. There's no one down there, but we've reached the intersection and we can see some people moving about and some cars. So, I hope you enjoyed my little tour of the abandoned, soon to be destroyed neighborhood. And I will see you in the next video.